Hello everybody, welcome back once again. It's Albert here. I finally got one, well, I wouldn't say whipped, but this lock here, as you can see, it's still in the open position. I'm going to lock it back up now, and I'm going to attempt to pick it again on camera. This thing right here has been giving me hell, and that's not even a joke. This one here, it was passed on to me, and I really appreciate that a whole lot. It says pinned by Leon's Lockpad. Whoops, sorry. Pinned by Leon's Lockpad. It's called Fallout. I'm probably not the first one that had this, but I do appreciate getting the opportunity to play with it. But yeah, I finally got it open a little while. I just got home from work a little while ago and decided to go at it again, and surprise, surprise, I got the damn thing open. But I was trying yesterday, and I mean trying. I mean getting at it. It was just, I'd get a little bit of a false set, and that was it. But I noticed, like I said, when I got home from work today, I tried it counterclockwise, and I don't know if maybe I just got lucky. I don't know, but I opened it. So did I show you the bitting? There's the bitting on the key. It's got a couple deep ones here, but I mean, it's just a crunchy monkey up in there. It's gnarly. And any hoodles, like I said, there's a good chance I just got lucky on it, but I think I'm going to go ahead and do it again counterclockwise, because that's how I did it. So I'm going to try that again. But yeah, it's just see, I got that was 3, I think. I got a little click on that one, but that's nothing. I've learned that I mean, you're gonna get plenty of clicks on this thing, but they're meaningless, really. That was 1. And I don't know if that's set or not. That was a gnarly click on 2, but I probably overset it. Okay, I got a slight turn. I think that was 4. The one in the back's all the way down and stuck, so I'm going to try it. Yeah, I'm getting counter rotation off it too. Now I'm scared to try it. Okay. Jesus. I've been trying this thing clockwise like you wouldn't believe. I mean, just getting at it. Could not open it for nothing. Counterclockwise, completely different story. Alright. Thank God I got that on camera. Okay. Let me see here. I'm going to see what's inside this beast of burden. Oh. Yeah, I spent literally, I hate to admit it, but hours and hours yesterday picking on that thing. And got nowhere. Nothing. You can see it's still open, right? Okay. Alright. I am curious what kind of ridiculousness is up in this thing. Apparently it is it is not meant to be picked clockwise, I can assure you that. Alright, let me see here. The key right here. Oh my God. Yeah, I get home from work and I'm like, you know what, let me give that thing another shot. And I sat down and tried it counterclockwise, and the damn thing opened up. I could have had a heart attack. It's like, are you kidding me? All them hours wasted yesterday trying to do it. Now I can't get a shim in that thing. Well, that tells me something. Okay, I think I got it. I hope. I'm about to lose it. Alright. Follower, I'm not quite positive, but that looks good. Okay, see if I can mess something up doing this now. Oh no, did I? I think I got something. Oh, I had it turned. Okay, I think I might have. Alright, I didn't, where's the pins? I almost foobarred this thing. Let me set that down because I'm wedging a pin right there. So I'm going to shove that back down. Get the follower through there. There we go. Alright, I saved it. Get that shim out, wherever it went. There it is. Okay. Wow. This lock is just not my friend. Okay, 5 pins. Here we go. Oh my god, one looks like a standard. Okay, I got a serrated on 2. These were all standard, I'd freak. Okay, nicely serrated kind of thing in 3. 4 is a standard key pin. Alright, now we're seeing some trickery. Alright. Really good looking serrations on a couple of these. On the core, let's see if I'm focused. On the core, looks like I'll be damned, I'm not feeling nothing in the core. Nope, I'll be damned. That's amazing. Okay, that's the front side here. Get some light up here. Focus pocus. Pinning tweezers. Alright. One looks like a, my god, a standard in 1. That's unbelievable. The kind of fight this thing put up. Okay. 2 is like a, seriously, there's hardly any shaft left in that spool there. I don't know what kind of combobulation this is, and I just flipped it over, so I'm guessing it. I think it was probably that way. I might have foobarred that. Some kind of barbell looking fligmabob, I'm not sure. This one here was like that way. Oh, it looks like a standard. Jesus Christmas, that's amazing. 4 is spool like. And last but not least, 5's hardly breaking the shear line. Oh, I'm sorry, that was 5. Jesus Christmas, Albert. Alright, that spool was 5. Alright, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm going to get a close-up on these pins. I think I see where my major problem was. Alright. Again, that was Fallout by pinned up by Leon's Lockpad. Thank you so much for pinning that up and getting it my way. I really, really appreciate it. Love these things. Since I got time, there's a serrated on the top of that first driver pin. I think it's, well, it looks kind of, no, it's not. It's standard. May have a scratch on it. This thing right here is just seriously deep, long, spoolie thing. This one I accidentally might have flipped it over in the it might have went this way when I popped it out. It's like a torpedo looking thing. That's a standard in 4, and then a spool in 5. And the key pins, standard there. Got a serration on the second one, 2 serrations on the third one, standard in the 4th, and then another deep serrated, I guess, in number 5. So, beautiful work on the pins, beautiful work on the lock. That thing put up a serious fight going clockwise. So I guess if you end up with this lock, try it counterclockwise. Alright, thanks y'all for watching. I appreciate it. Please subscribe.